What kind of Ezekiel, the people they have to call your wife, making come and we get there. Call your wife, come, make him come. Make him come. If you get a fly, make him bring flyer, come and beg. I forget to carry my flyer. I'll go do them now. Make she come now. Make she come. Maybe people like donation come. I'll go do the pen before I move anything. I'll go do them. You know get flyer for that place. Even screwdriver, you don't get anything. Hello. We are here today for this machine, the 50 capacity outbox machine. This machine has been bought by one of our members, and we are here to move the machine to our own factory. This machine was bought without a compressor. There was no compressor, it's only the machine and the condenser and the fan. So no compressor. And the capacity of this machine is 50 pieces of ice block, capable of blocking within 48 hours, because it's only with one it's going to be running with one compressor with one condenser. So we are here today to move the machine out. We have completed payment to all arrangements, so we are waiting for the vehicle to come and move it. Henceforth, we are going to be showing all the videos whenever we install any machine for a customer. We're going to be uploading the video on our page so that others will also see that what we are doing is real. Iceman-Tech, we are here for the business, and we are here to modelize Asbog business, to make it easier for people to invest on the business without being present. Now, this person bought this machine through us. The person is in Niger State. The owner of this machine now is in Niger State. He bought the machine through us. We made the connection for him. He made the payment. Now we are here to carry the machine. So we are also the one to manage the machine. That is what we do. In Iceman-Tech, we fabricate, we maintain, we also connect you to sellers and to buyers. I will also manage the machine for you if you can't be able to manage the machine due to light problem or also whatever may be the cost. So we are here to do whatever it takes to make sure your Asbog business is successful. Thank you very much. When we reach the place, we'll also upload the new video. Thank you. We are back. Now the machine is now in our factory, in our Asbog factory. So we are going to be doing some maintenance on this machine to enable it start working. First, we are going to add compressor on this machine. We are going to add compressor on this machine, which the owner of this machine, the person that handled this machine over to Iceman-Tech, have paid for. The owner has paid for everything. They have paid for the machine, everything that is going to happen on this machine, both the gas, the compressor, everything has been paid. So now it's left for us now to install it. Now we have carried it to our factory. We hear very well, you can hear sound of other machines. They are working in production on a daily basis. Now this machine is capable of producing 50 blocks, as I said, and for 8 hours, meaning we are able to sell two markets weekly. Yes, because you can't sell that 2 markets weekly because of space of time. And now, as you can see, the machine is here with us. The machine is here with us. So I really thank those that have trusted us on this business. Yes, it's not easy to trust, to believe in somebody that you have not seen one-on-one, to make payment to somebody you have not seen one-on-one, trusting that person will deliver you. In Iceman-Tech, we do things real. We don't do fake business. We do legitimate business. Now this machine is solely owned by the owner. This is not property of Iceman-Tech. It's owned by the person that made the payment. Agreement has been sent to him. We have done the agreement, and every information has been, the document has been signed. Now, what happened here is that this machine will be paying the person on weekly basis. Every step at the end of the week, whatever sale that is being made, the person will get it on his account. Except that we have created a platform now. So on the weekly basis, the payment will drop on his Iceman-Tech website account. Then from there he can withdraw it. You understand? They are on the website now. The income will be dropping there, so he can withdraw at any time. On weekly basis, the income will drop. He can withdraw at any time. Now, this machine now is owned by the person, the owner, the person that made payment for this machine. If at long run the person wants to end the business, you can authorize us to sell this machine. You can either buy it. You can hear that there are other machines standing. There are so many machines here. You can authorize us to either sell this machine and send the money to him based on the current price, because we are going to sell based on the current price of the machine and the current condition of the machine. We are going to sell it and send money to him. Or he can also come and carry the machine. Yes, this machine is his property. So this is not scam, this is not fake, this is not Ponzi, and this is not online scheme. This is a real business. So this is the money he paid for. This money, this is the machine. The money he sent for us, this is the machine. It's physical here. So come on, inside. We are going to be doing the real business. This is real business. This is real business. We are going to be doing the real business, and income profit to be sending to him. Now we have also discussed the income, which will be configured on his account, on his Iceman-Tech website, dashboard account that will dropping for him. So this is real, and this business, this machine now is now owned by him forever. So far as this machine exists, the profits keep coming. The profit will only stop coming when he decides to carry this machine. And from that agreement and the arrangement, we take care of all maintenance. So what he only does is to be receiving his payment, his weekly payments. And whenever market increases, when the price of market increases, we also notify our members through the website or email or SMS. Whenever market also drop, we also notify. So income is based on the current price of ice block, the current price of the ice block per 1 pieces. So this is a big business, as I said. There is no cost of the alarm. You are welcome to the business, my brother. We have started with this one, and I hope in the future you'll be able to buy bigger machines like those ones you have here. Like those ones you have here, we have other machines here. You'll be able to buy bigger one. This should be one of the smallest machines in English. This should be one of the smallest machines here. You have 600, 500, 200, 300, 400 capacity. It's even 1,200 capacity machines. So this is one of the smallest machines here. So we are done. What we do in Iceman-Tech is we fabricate ice-block machine, we maintain ice-block machine, we connect buyers and sellers of ice-block machine, and we also manage ice-block machine for people. If you have a machine you want us to manage for you, you can bring it to us, we will manage it for you. We have an agreement. Every sales and every week we give you your own returns, we collect our own. That's what we do here. Also, if you have buyers that want to buy, if you have ice-block machine, we can connect it to buyers. Also, if you want to sell, we can connect it to buyers. If you want to buy, we can connect it to sellers. We can also manage it for you. If you have machine, we can also maintain it for you and also fabricate for you. That's what we do in Iceman-Tech. Our website, check on the screen. Our website is www.Iceman-Tech.biz. When you register, you can buy a slot of the ice-block machine that are available. Not always. You can only see slot of ice-block machine if they are available. You can buy. When you buy, to be installed for you, you start earning profit based on the configuration of the system. You are welcome to Iceman-Tech. Thank you for partnering with us.